Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to use a referral code in Shein app. First of all, you can open the Shein application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the product that you want to order. I can select this product. After selecting the product, you can just simply select the product again. I can select this product, and now you can tap on add to cart, and here you can just simply select the size. Now tap on add to cart again, and after a few seconds of loading, you can just simply see the option basket at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on checkout at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can first sign in your account, and after signing you can just simply after click on the checkout. You can see the different options. You can see the one more option, that is referral code. You can enter the referral code of the to redeem the code or cash price or discount. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.